Ya rồi nó nuli nó phải Mose thì sao mày đã phải nó trả đến như thế bây giờ phải thì đi gua đi mà trong sáng con mà chua đi cho mình
Marol vanu le fusione aso. Laso lo hono i ki.
và thì đây là cũng có đấy với là cũng có phía mà đi ổn định cái đấy có chạy với chấp bội này mà chỗ ai như nó chạy đi sang bộ chỗ jangan calo lang na ko ikano di jangan calo paangat ang mga tili awasi ay mo sa mo yali mo tan fia ali au no ren tili tan ko tili pas chai ko itu susuan ni mai pui tu ta pin pena tu long suai au cha anu sa yali wa ai fai ko mo ni cha se suwa mai mo
Kasi meron ko ang ko yung mo mai mo si meeting so dali si ko mga ko
ya de ka wa ka ya pin ko si da sa ka ro ko ka le mo yo sian na ro ba mo ya ye đó có đi đã sang rồi của hai là tổng quay rồi cũng chỉ với ai sao mua quá tập trung năng học tiếp chắc
yung sa tanang mo mo yung type hindi wala so wala ni pakita yung nasa mo ito mo le mai ni tulang na tu fa day ang tulang ko
nhiều chú đó không vui có bị trao rồi để bị nhiều thế nên này có bị trao rồi giờ nó chạy là cũng đâu chạy là cũng đâu phải chơi phôi mà chơi có bị trao đi để ăn bể sẽ là cũng đâu bể nào vậy giờ đi chỉnh nó số nó còn đi dám nhau cho đồ bay giờ thì nó là chạm được bên này giờ cái tí đi dắt như vậy mà chưa sao thôi đi trả đi đây đâu
Let's go. Congratulations for goal again.
Thank you.
What do you say for getting goal in this game?
First of all, I'd just like to thank God for these victories. There were 4 days, 4 fights, for every day of the competition. So it was very hard, very hard. Like every fight was different, and every day was a war. And I'm thankful that I came out with not as many injuries. I do have injuries, but just minor injuries. So I'm just going to rest up and enjoy this moment. And a big thanks to the Seua'i people as well and their support, and my auntie Vitalia for bringing her family over and telling them to come. Also my Faoagali cousins for coming down to watch as well. And yeah, big thanks to Seua'i cheering me on in the fights, because it really pushed me in the fights.
Now you got gold and you had silver in the Commonwealth and
Yeah.
gold now in the City Games. So how are you looking into the Olympics?
Well, first of all, I have to trial for the Olympics, Asia Games, I'm pretty sure, in January. So I'll be aiming for that, and I'll be aiming very high for gold over there. It's not going to be easy, but it's all up here, I guess. It's all up here. So yeah, I'll be preparing for that, and also probably World Championships at the end of the year. So yeah, it's going to be a long, tough journey to the Olympics.
Okay, comparing the Commonwealth and City Games in terms of opponents, anywhere tougher, anywhere not so tough?
You can't underestimate anyone in the ring. Like all these guys, they all had knockout power, and especially the Tongan and the PNG. And I've never been hit so hard in my life. Big respects to them, and I wish them all the best in their journeys and their fight careers. And yeah.
I know I asked you this before in our previous interview, but since you're talking about journey, what do you want to say to somebody who's looking to start this journey of boxing?
Just you got to be, like I say every time, you got to be consistent. Like sometimes you're gonna lose. Like me, I've lost a few times. I lost my first few fights, and I just kept being consistent. And now, 90 fights later, standing on podiums, and it's unreal. I would never think I would be here, but yeah, I'm here now. Thank the Lord.
Well, anything else you want to add into? Anybody else want to say thank you to?
Just especially my father. I would like to thank my father for everything he's done for me. It was also his birthday on Tuesday, so a big shout out to my father, and a big birthday present for him.
Oh, yeah. Just one more question. The Prime Minister was here. How did that make you feel watching the fight?
Honestly, I didn't know he was here until they announced it at the medal ceremony. But I heard he was going to come. But it's a big honor. It's a big honor for the Prime Minister. not for the Prime Minister, sorry, for us athletes. And it's to show our success in boxing, how much we've progressed with the help of our coaches in China and everyone. One in spirit.